Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to count fall items 1 to 10. Let's start. Fall counting. Count and write the number of fall elements you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the number 5 in the box. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. 5. 1. Write the number 1 in the box. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. 1. O-N-E 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write the number 9 in the box. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write the number 8 in the box. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the number 4 in the box. F-O-U-R 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write the number 6 in the box. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write the number 10 in the box. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. 1, 2, 3. Write the number 3 in the box. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 1, 2. Write the number 2 in the box. T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. 2. Let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 1. O-N-E 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N-I-N-E 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. F-O-U-R 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. S-I-X 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. T-E-N 10. 1, 2, 3. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 1, 2, 2, TWO, 2. Well done, kids. You're doing great. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye.